In this video, I want to focus on applying decals to our illuminated control buttons. You'll notice that I have applied 3 decals to the right-hand side, Race, ASR Off, and R, below the control buttons. The process for inserting a decal is the same that we use for creating our Ferrari logo. I want to show you how to do this on the left-hand side and how to make sure that the logos and decals appear properly inside your SolidWorks model. The first thing we want to do is go to Edit Decal and browse for a decal file. These are provided with the tutorial. We're going to grab Mode and simply select the face we want to place this. Now you'll notice that in this case it's coming up fairly large and actually upside down. So we're going to manually drag it. Using our mapping, we want to make sure that we flip it by using our mirror horizontally and mirror vertically. We can also rotate it a certain number of degrees. Once you've scaled the decal to be roughly the right size, we want to use an image mask. Now, if you remember when we did our Ferrari logo, we used an image mask file. It was the same as our decal. We're going to do the same procedure here, only we're not going to invert the mask. So browse for your decal file. You can see here that without inverting the mask, we actually get the outside border of our decal image file, the black section, to disappear. This is exactly what we want to do. Now we'll go ahead and apply another decal. We're going to browse for the file. We're going to use Set. Select the same face to apply our Set decal. Notice this one is upside down as well. Again, we're going to go to Mapping. We're going to mirror it horizontally and vertically. And what we need to do here is get the scale to be the same as our Mode button. Now, one important thing to note when you're inserting decals is the scale, or any of the height numbers you give the decal, are going to be based solely on the outside border. So we don't have any reference measurement for the actual decal image we want to use. So again, I'm going to go back to Image. I'm going to use an image mask file. Browse for our Set decal. And notice that once we use that image mask, we can drag it over our Mode button, get the scale approximately the same, and simply drag it into place. The last one we need to apply in the same fashion. We're going to insert decal. We're going to grab our Hood Up logo and apply it to this face. Now this time we're going to use mapping. I'm going to rotate this 180 degrees. You can see that resets our decal. Next, I'm going to grab my image mask file, browse for our Hood Up logo, and then drag it over our Set decal. Make sure that the scale is approximately the same. Once it is, we can drag it in place under our lower button. Now if we take a look, we have Race, ASR, R on the right-hand side. We have Hood Up, Set, and Mode on the left-hand side. That concludes inserting decals for our illuminated control buttons.